Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of Valentine's Day in my Artake Weekly Tasks Planner using SammyLynnPlanning's Rustic Valentine's Day Kit. Once again, if you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with all different kinds of art media, from planners to art prompt journal books to crafting of various types, so you can check out the description box below. There are different playlists related to each category of planning and crafting, so you can check that out. And I also have my vlog series going on, and it is my Disneyland vlog, so you can check out the playlist Travel With Me if you're interested in seeing what I do behind the scenes. Alright, so enough with the introductions and the fun stuff. We're going to get into my planning. Now, I am on a PR for SammyLynnPlanning, so if you want to save yourself some money, you can use my code Megan15. It will save you 15% off of your order, and you will receive my freebie. I do not have my freebie with me currently, but this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. It is themed around the blueberry tea kit from her shop, and I did get that kit, and you will see me plan it with it. I don't think I'm going to be using it in the Artake planner, but I will be using it in a kit somewhere, so you will see that. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is grab the kit and put the dates on here. So the 11th was on Sunday, so we are doing 12. I love SammyLynnPlanning's kits. You guys, I have probably purchased, I definitely haven't purchased every single kit she has, because that would be, first of all, a lot of money, but I mean, I don't really care because I'm supporting a small business, but it would be a lot of kits. She has quite a few. I think on her website, if I'm not mistaken, just regular kits, like not foiled, not ones on sale, there's 164 on her Etsy. So I definitely haven't purchased 164 kits, but I have purchased quite a bit, and I do not care because her kits are fabulous, amazing, and beautiful, and I have no shame. I was going to take this off, but I realized I need to cut it down to size. So we're getting my fiskars because I'm going to cover up the days of the week and all of the color. Trying to make sure I get a good size. I can't believe I'm about to chop this page, but I always say you can use any kit for any kind of planner. You just have to be able to make it work for your needs. So just so you guys are aware, and I have shared this with you in last week's, if you saw my Growing Modestly plan with me in this planner. Oh, that is not even, oh well. Anyway, I am filming this a little bit ahead of time because at the current time of you seeing this video, I am still in recovery from my surgery. I got my gallbladder removed because I've had a lot of stomach problems to the point where it has been affecting me in every aspect of my life. So I had to get my gallbladder removed. And I'm saying this without knowing if the surgery went well or not, but I think it went well. This is the magic of editing and the magic of, you know, not knowing what's happening. So yeah, we're going to say it went well, because if it didn't, then I'm sure you guys know about it, because I have to tell you guys everything because I'm a child. So yes. Oh, wow. That was loud. That was my whiteout. So yes, like I said, I like to tell everybody, I like to be transparent with when I film and edit and such, because I know that like some people do film ahead of time, and whenever I'm going on a trip or anything like that, I always tell people like, hey, I'm filming ahead of time, so this is not real-time film. But I do like to be transparent with you guys, so you know, and you're prepared, and you are aware that that's what's happening. So yeah. How have you guys been doing though? How's the weather been for you? I know I ask that every single time that we are there. I feel like that's unfortunate. Let me flip it the other way. Do I just not know how to use oh, okay, there we go. Anyway, I feel like I always ask you guys the same questions. So how are you doing with other things in your life. Like, are you guys going on a trip? I know people don't really go on trips in the middle of February, but maybe you do. Maybe you wanted to go on a little trip. So how's life been? Tell me everything. I'm nosy and I want to know. Okie dokie. So let's go into here. We're going to see what stickers we want to use. So we're obviously going to use the love and this one. I totally forgot what day. Thursday. So over here. So this spread is going to be mainly decorative. I'm going to have some room for just things, events that are happening and things that I need to write down. But because I'm going to be recovering from surgery, I'm not really going to have any reason to like, oh, I got to clean. Well, I can't clean because I am going to be recovering and I won't be able to lift. I'm hoping that I will be able to work, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't know. I've never done surgery before, so I don't really know what's going to be happening. But that's my hope, is that I will be able to work so that I can, you know, pay all my bills and all the adult things that we have to do, like rent. Gross. So, yes. And I feel like by the weekend, things should be easier. So we are moving on the 16th, on Friday, to our 3-bedroom apartment, which I am very excited about. But, you know, such is life. We don't really know what's going to be. I definitely won't be able to help move, but I can probably help clean up, like, you know, clean the apartment, and I will be able to help pack before we actually do have to move. So that's good. That's at least a benefit that I will have, is I will be able to help do something, because I don't like feeling useless. I like to be able to help. Okay, I want that there, and then we are gonna put, why did I put something on Thursday? Oh, because I don't remember why I was doing that. I was like, I don't understand why I put a box here. It's because this is the day before the move that we have to clean, and then this is the day of the move. So let's do this box. Oh, look, that's the same color. There, and then we'll layer it. Okay. And then probably should finish putting on the dates, because that would be helpful. So hopefully by the 18th, I will be fully recovered and be able to like help do stuff. That's my intention, but we will see. I do want to move this down a hair so that I can put weekend. Oh no, I always do that. I always rip it. No. Okay, thank you. I probably should just use tweezers. That would be a smart thing to do. Okay, I wanted to put this washi down because it's the bigger one and it's pretty. I'm never going to use like Valentine's Day washi. I'm going to cover up habits and skills this week because I will not be able to do much anyway. Okay, what do we think of this? And you know what? Because I'm covering that up, let's use a sticker. Come on, off the page. Get off the page. Thank you. We're going to put a box sticker here. Not there. Thank you. Here. And another one. What color should we do? Probably brown, right? Yeah. Do brown. Right there. Alrighty, now let's add some more fun. So, actually, we are going to add this, but we want to add the rest of these boxes first. This one. Probably not, though. Let's do this one. Okay. We'll put this box there. That is bothering me. And this box there. Wipe these out because I don't need them. And then we have 2 more boxes. So put you there. Okay. And I'm gonna have that one like this. Cover this up here. Do you guys do anything for Valentine's Day? Do you celebrate Valentine's Day where you are? Or is it just kind of like a normal day of the week that you just are like, oh, okay, yep, Valentine's Day is here. I like the colors. I really do. I really love the colors of Valentine's Day. I think that it's a beautiful, like, it's a beautiful holiday. I just don't celebrate it because I don't have anyone significant to celebrate it with. I mean, when I was growing up, my dad, who is just the absolute sweetest, he would make us little Valentine's Day boxes or like bags. He'd get us like a box of chocolates, and he would sometimes, I think one year he got me a bear or like some sort of like stuffed animal or something. I'm sure he will tell me that I'm wrong if I am incorrect, but it was a really cute, like, way to say, like, I know you're single, but here you go. So yeah, I always think that it's a super cute little thing that he used to do. And he doesn't do it anymore because we're grown women. We can get our own box of chocolates and our own candy. But it was always a really nice thing that he would do. That does not work. So we're not going to do that. But we are going to use this one. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, that was our tradition growing up for Valentine's Day. And like I said, I'm not a huge Valentine's Day person. I don't really like the holiday itself, but I do like the candy and the chocolates and all of that. I think that's a really fun thing, and I think it's pretty to decorate my planner for it. It's always a fun thing to do, you know. I pulled this sticker out and I don't want to use it, so we're gonna put it up here on Monday. I want to use these for to-dos and such, but I don't want to put the same colors. Let's do the red one for here. Oh, there we go. And we'll put a little bow for Valentine's Day, maybe. There we go. I always love using these. I feel like there needs to be a box here. Let's do this one. And probably the red one, maybe, or this one. Yeah, we'll do that one. No, we won't. We can do this light brown box here, because that's fun. Oh, that's crooked. That's much better. I mean, not much better, but better than it was. Then this will be our title for here. And we can add another little, we'll do this one, another little checklist Part of me wants to put it over here. I don't like checklists on that side though, so we're gonna put it on this side. Okay. And I'm gonna use this arrow. Maybe not this one. Put that back. I want it to be, and then we'll do one of these boxes here, and the red one, maybe this one, brown. I'm trying to use up all this kit, as much of this kit as I can at least. Because I was thinking like, okay, well, I'm not going to be able to do much, so I could always like write down what I did that day. Like, oh, I slept. Or, oh, I watched this on TV. Oh, I helped put this away. Or I talked with the family or something like that. I don't know. You know, I was thinking I could probably hold off on using these ones and use all the decorative ones instead. And we'll put one sticker here. And y'all, I think that that is it. I really do. I think that that is all we need. This is very Valentine's Day. It's like intensely Valentine's Day. Y'all see how intense it is. It's like boing. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my Artake planner using the Rustic Valentine's Day kit from SammyLynnPlanning. Once again, I am on a PR team for SammyLynnPlanning, so if you use my code Megan15, it will save you 15% off of your order, and you will receive my beautiful freebie. Here it is once again. Like I said, it is based off the Blueberry Tea kit from her shop. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed chatting with me and talking with me about all of this fun stuff. Sometimes I just like get into the moment and I just plan and I don't say anything, so I apologize if I did that this time, but I think this is a very fun spread to use for the week, especially because I'm not going to be doing too much and I can just relax. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspirational to you, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys.